Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine! Gifts from Walt Disney World! We've got 8 competing engines, but only one will be crowned our winner by successfully defending their Mini from getting bumped off the end of the track. And now let's meet our engines. Mickey, without a face, Luke, Den, Arthur, Flying Scotsman, FLYNN, PROTEUS, Sir Handel, and that's it. The Mini on the losing end of the track will have to pick out a gift for the winning engine and its Mini.
Disney World has so many fun things you can buy. I can't wait to see what the Minis get.
Let's get things started with Mickey Mouse versus Sir Handel.
Alright, let's see what we've got here. Lots of clothes to choose from, lots of shirts. And I see they've got socks too. And flip-flops, but I wouldn't know what size to get. I don't even know who's gonna win this competition. That looks a little too girly, a little too baby. I think I'll have to pass on that. What else have we got around here? Ooh, now that's a nice shirt. Look at that, my face fits perfect on here.
Next up, Luke versus PROTEUS.
What's with all these things staring at me? What are they? Oh, Banshees from Avatar. Those are pretty cool. I might have to get one. What color should I get though? Hey, what do you think you're doing? Put me down. No. I'm not supposed to be eaten. I'm a Mini. I know it says Charleston Chew on me, but do not chew on me. All right. I found one that I don't think will try to eat me. So I picked out the bluish-greenish colored one, and now let's have a little fun with it, shall we?
Excuse me, I don't believe I've seen you around here before. You do not look like a very useful engine.
How do I control this thing? Nope, no, not that. I'm trying to get you to open your mouth. Come on. Yeah, just like that, perfect.
What do you think you're doing? You put me down right this minute. I have very important things to do. Ugh, he slobbered all over me. Gross. Now that's better. I still am in one piece, I think.
Don't worry, he's okay. I wouldn't hurt Sir Topham Hatt, you know.
And now, Den versus FLYNN.
Alright, board games. And look at that, they've all got a little Disney twist to them. Yeah, Clue, not bad. Ooh, Monopoly, now that's a classic game. What do we got up? Candyland. Oh, perfect, that's just the one I wanted. Disney Theme Park Edition. This is gonna be fun.
Finishing up the quarterfinals, Arthur versus Flying Scotsman.
Well, it sure doesn't look like a Disney gift shop in here. This looks a lot more like a pharmacy. I mean, what am I gonna do with toothpaste? And disposable cameras? Who gets those anymore? Diapers? What am I supposed to do with those? Sunblock? That's important though. You gotta have that, especially if you're out at a theme park.
Semi-finals time, Mickey Mouse versus Luke.
Ooh, where am I? Let me look around. Oh, look at all these fun things. It's pins and lanyards. Oh my, I love pin trading. It's so much fun. Oh, which one should I choose? Are those princess crowns? I always have wanted to be a Disney princess. Oh, this frozen one
Mickey Mouse goes on to the finals. Who will he face? Flynn or Flying Scotsman?
This is exactly what we need. On a hot day like this, something to help cool things down. A fan, and you can put cold water in it too, with ice. I need to get this. I think I have enough money for it. Perfect, and I think I can figure out how to use it. I need someone to try it out on. Excuse me over there, sir. Are you hot?
Why, yes, indeed. It's quite warm out today, and these fancy clothes certainly make things even more hot.
Here you go then. Enjoy a nice breeze and some cold water.
Ah, now that is quite refreshing. You'd better turn that fan back on and dry me off, though.
Final round, Flynn versus Mickey Mouse.
How did I end up in one of these gloves? That's just silly. What's around here? Let's take a peek, eh? I think I see some stuffed animals. Look at all these fun toys. Everybody's gotta love these. There's so many different ones to choose from. There's some dolls over here. What else? Let's keep looking. Whoa! A Cinderella castle? That's amazing. But what's this stuff? A train set? Well, we gotta do that. Whoa! A monorail playset. I love the monorail. We're gonna totally get this. Who wouldn't love to have the monorail in their home? Wow! Look at all the fun, cool stuff it comes with and the characters and everything. I can't wait to see it. Yippee!
Mickey Mouse is the winner! Thanks for watching. Which toy from the gift shop was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Bye!